Hello everyone and welcome to this short video. This is an announcement of the next coming LS-DYNA workshop. So it will be the fifth batch of LS-DYNA in a nutshell workshop, and this is a beginner's workshop in LS-DYNA. It will be on the 24th, 25th September and 1st and 2nd October. So it will be 2 weekends. And it will start from 6:30 a.m. until 11 a.m. GMT. I'm putting the GMT timing here, so please be careful. If you are from my time zone, then it will be 2:30 p.m. until 7 p.m. So be aware of this timing. So what will be covered in this workshop? This is the general overview. So I divided it into 4 chapters. So we have chapter 1, chapter 2. This is like the basics and so-called ice breaking with the software. And then we have chapter 3, which is the basic examples, which I believe that everyone should be able to do it. We have compression test, tensile test, and a 3-point bending test. And lastly, for chapter 4, we have the intermediate examples. We have actually 4 intermediate examples, example A, B, C, and D. And what are these examples? These examples are yet to be decided. I will be giving some options, and it will be depending on the votes of you guys. So these intermediate examples, as you can see here, only 4 examples will be selected. We have the first here, I will read it out. We have the concrete column under cyclic load. The second example, we have the stiffened panel under impact, and then we will do the residual strength analysis of the same structure. Example 3, we have masonry wall subjected to a blast load. You might be familiar with the blast load on a concrete wall, but here we will have a masonry wall subjected to blast load. And the fourth option is concrete removal with water jetting, high velocity water jetting, and it will be 2D analysis using the ALE method. The fifth option is sheet metal forming. We have the deep drawing example. The sixth option is sloshing inside the fuel tank, and it will be a 2D analysis again, and it will be using the SPH method. The next option is seismic loads on a building. So we will do a building structure, and then we will apply an earthquake load on this structure. The eighth option is high velocity impact. We have a spherical steel impactor and a ceramic block as the target. And the second last option is underground rock blast, and it will be again with the 2D ALE method. And the last example is the TBM rock cutting, tunnel boring machine TBM rock cutting. So I will be putting a Google Sheet in the description, and from there you can vote, and please choose only 4 examples. If you choose more than 4, then I will not take your vote into consideration. So this is all for this short announcement, and I hope you cooperate, you vote if you want to participate, if you are serious about it. But if you do not want to participate, then please do not vote. And further details about the workshop will be given in the description. That's all from me today. Thank you very much, and see you next time.